care of.
Okay.
Okay, I never seen oil temperature 106 so far in this car. First time. Okay, okay.
Audi RS6 V10 with, well, I would say a car that benchmarked the performance wagon industry or car scene, you could say. Stock, it was 560,
something like that.
Something like that, used to be.
Still interesting for those years.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Lamborghini V10 engine, twin turbocharged basically. And now, 17 years later, it received a few upgrades and it's a bit more powerful.
So yeah, I bought the car as a non-runner actually. So that was a seized engine. The engine is fully rebuilt, so
can we see it actually?
Of course. I mean, you'll be disappointed.
Okay.
Unfortunately, because there's not much where you can see.
Yeah.
So
while you're there, I'm just gonna show that we were running ceramics and quite hot because the paint is coming off the wheels. PS4S tires, and like every V10, it's a proper understeer monster.
Yes.
You're right.
So everything else to the front, that's the weight, what's the problem?
Yeah.
And like I said, disappointment. You can't see really too much.
No.
So,
but have you changed the turbos or something? Or?
Yes. So it's running TT 1000 turbos, so they should be capable to do the 1000 bhp. Of course, everything is on paper, so we hit the wall quite a few times. Everybody said it's easy and it's not. So there was much more modifications going on. We have Porsche injectors, which are different. We have Volkswagen intercooler, which you can't see again. Everything's hidden. So without the intercoolers, it will cook really quickly.
Yeah.
This is your biggest enemy with the engine. It's really tight setup, so the temperature is running really high. And yeah, basically fully built. Currently today we'll be running like 900 bhp. So no methyl alcohol, no nothing, just pure fuel. And yeah, so really enjoyed the car, enjoyed the build. I'm really glad we make it to the Nürburgring and try it out for the first time. Misha showed me like how it should be done. Yeah. Really impressed. So yeah, old dinosaur, unfortunately, stock gearbox. It was tuned in Slovakia.
Is this the ethanol injector or something?
This is just water methanol.
Okay.
So just cooled the temps down today. We've been running with no water methanol at all.
Okay.
So basically, as you can see, it's just air going in, fuel going in, and that's it. 900 bhp. So
okay.
That was the power we'll be running today.
Okay. Well, let's go have a look how it drives. For the rest, it's all stock. Obviously, the very old version of DSG gearbox that will take until tomorrow to shift gears, I would say. And yeah, Power Wagon. So thanks for this lap, and you guys, enjoy the lap. It's the end of the year, the holidays are around the corner, and this means two things. First of all, we have made new Nürburgring sweaters, the traditional ones and also very exclusive merino wool ones. Go to nürburgring.com, enter Misha Christmas 25 code to get additional 10% discounts on all the products. The sweaters, the books, the socks. What else do we have? Some more will be added actually soon. We're going to be having calendars. But for that, subscribe, stay tuned, and most importantly, enjoy the content.
Don't be surprised, the gearbox is 17 years old piece of junk.
Yeah.
You probably drove a few of these, so, you know.
Well, I think 2 so far of these.
Okay, I've seen the sedan one, the saloon one.
Yeah.
That was beastie.
With the girl, yeah. And then there was also one wagon, which was also modified to some horsepowers. Yeah, but in any case, this one should be also modified.
Should be, and it is. And I'm really hoping it will do well. I've done best that I could, everything what I could, but still it needs some few mods to have daily over 1000 bhp. Yeah. So, especially want to see what it's capable of to do at the Nürburgring.
That's one downshift, but alright.
It will not do a kick down in the manual. Okay, here's the gearbox. Okay, so this is definitely quick, man. This is definitely quick. gearbox is mental.
Come on.
Traction control is holding you back, is it?
Oh yeah, I've switched it up completely, so
it's good.
fine.
Okay. I think the carbon ceramics will do today.
Yeah.
So I bought the car with steel is original.
Oh.
That will be dead.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the scary section. Oh man, you're going really quick. Okay, this is something what I'm really scared of.
Okay.
But you can just do your thing. But I wouldn't drive like this, definitely. Okay, that's quick. But surprisingly, it's doing quite good.
Yeah.
Okay, I never seen oil temperature 106 so far in this car. First time. Okay.
Yeah, the gearbox is very slow. Like
I know. The guys try to do as best as they can with the gearbox, but unfortunately this is the best what they can do. The torque is killing it, that's the biggest issue. It's shifting ideally 800 Newton meters and we are up 1000, so
yeah. Something about the back is like we have traffic anyway.
Uh-oh.
He really wants to get that Porsche. Looks like he heard me.
Now it's your turn, man. Come on.
Eventually.
Looks like you're getting bored behind the other cars. You have much more pace, I believe.
The 500 horsepower and a Porsche is pulling away from us.
Oh, yeah. It's probably has something to do with the weight. Oil temperature 111. Never seen that before. Still quite good for oil.
Looking in the mirrors or not ahead.
I've got to indicate that it's fine.
Come on, boy.
2008 old Audi system. I think the new Audis are a bit better on the racetrack, but still. Unbelievable what you're doing with the car, man. Okay, BMW, help us a bit. Take it real seriously. Okay.
Understeer.
I know. The other jump was alright. That's what Audis usually do. When you have a V10 engine in front of the front axle, not good. And it's really heavy. I have it out twice.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's tired. So is our car.
117, still rising.
The Volkswagen Golf will be 125 already a long time ago.
I'm actually surprised it's cooling quite good because it's only had like 6.5 or 7 liters of oil. So it's not much circulating around, it's just a dry sump, it's circulating better. But I'm really happy it's still actually cooling and driving alright. It's not overheating.
Yeah.
Because this was my biggest fear, like half of the lap the car would just say, I'm done, see you later.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay, that was a great lap, man. Much appreciate.
Yeah, it was nice.
We really enjoyed it.
Oh, it's the new 992.2 on track speed. Nice. I think so. Nice.
So what are you saying about the car? It will do?
I mean, car is good. Just didn't feel like 1,000 horsepower.
No, we are like 900 at the moment. If that really depends on the intake temperature. I didn't even put the water methanol on, so it's like pure engine-wise with 102 octane fuel. And the biggest problem what I'm having with this car is everybody told me it's easy to build a 1000 bhp car, and then you hit always a wall. So yeah.
Nice.